Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for reviews and insights into the most advanced vehicles and aircraft from around the world. Today, we're diving into the futuristic Mercedes F-47 NGAD, a concept that's reshaping the boundaries of next-generation air dominance. Although not officially in production, the F-47 NGAD has caught global attention for its rumored specifications, cutting-edge technologies, and speculative design features that place it years ahead of current-generation jets. The Mercedes F-47 NGAD, often described as a sixth-generation fighter concept, is believed to be part of the broader Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) initiative. It represents a leap in stealth, connectivity, and autonomous capabilities. Designed to operate either manned or unmanned, the F-47 is envisioned as a highly adaptive platform built for contested airspace, carrying out both offensive and defensive missions with surgical precision. Speculated to have a sleek airframe with a tailless design and reduced radar cross-section, the F-47's stealth capabilities would likely surpass even fifth-generation jets. Composite materials and advanced radar-absorbent coatings are expected to play a major role in its construction. Its shape and low-infrared signature would make it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems, enabling deep penetration into heavily defended enemy territory. Powering the F-47 NGAD would be next-generation adaptive cycle engines, capable of adjusting performance based on the mission. These engines would offer unprecedented fuel efficiency, thrust, and thermal management, allowing the jet to operate at hypersonic speeds while maintaining extended range. With optional unmanned flight capability, the aircraft could undertake high-risk missions without endangering pilots. One of the most talked-about features is the F-47's advanced AI integration. Onboard systems are expected to assist pilots in real time with threat analysis, navigation, weapons management, and communications. The aircraft would also be capable of commanding a swarm of loyal wingman drones, expanding its reach and combat capabilities. This networked warfare concept is crucial for future air dominance. Internally, the jet would likely feature a modular weapons bay with laser weapons, directed energy systems, and air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. Sensor fusion and advanced electronic warfare suites are expected to provide unmatched situational awareness and countermeasure deployment. The cockpit would be fully digital, featuring augmented reality displays and voice-activated command systems. Although still a concept, the Mercedes F-47 NGAD represents the next big leap in aerospace evolution, combining stealth, speed, AI, and precision warfare. It's a fascinating look into what the future of aerial combat could be. For more such detailed insights and reviews of the most advanced machines in the world, make sure to subscribe to All Motors brand and stay updated with the future of mobility and defense.